Is Cécred by Beyoncé really worth the hype? Let's unbox the Beyoncé of hair care. I spent my hard-earned coins to get this. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally got my hands on Beyonce's hair line. Cécred, 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 Cécred. Everywhere I went, everywhere I turned, it was Cécred, Cécred, Cécred. And where I am in this part of the world, we can't just walk into like an Ulta beauty store and get this. So I had to wait a couple of weeks before I got my order. So I have a whole big box of different things here. Again, the set range that had this like particular product that had like everything that has been sold out for weeks. Beyonce's girls, you guys are really working overtime. Anyways, I was able to get myself a couple of just mix and match here and there. So I thought I should just make this video to share what I got. And for anyone who is thinking of getting Cécred by Beyoncé, and you're just wondering, should you get it? What do you think? Is it good? Is it not? Is the packaging great? Well, here I am sharing an unbiased review of all my things. I've opened the box, as you can see, because I filmed for Instagram. I did like a little haul for Instagram, but I haven't done this for Instagram. So I'm sharing that with you guys, my VIP people. And I'm going to be looking at every single thing one by one. So first up, I have the hydrating shampoo, shampooing hand hydrants. And first look, the packaging is sturdy. Let me smell. It's sealed, but from the little I can smells amazing. Oof, wow, Beyonce, you're that girl. So yeah, it does smell very nice. I have really dry scalp and I've been really trying to work on a proper hair routine for some time now. And honestly, what I really wanted were the restoring hair drops, because I've been seeing the girlies and oh my god, the reviews have been insane. So if I can do it religiously, I hope to share back like in another like few weeks how my experience with restoring hair drops and even using the whole range for my hair. So I want to film separate hair videos of what my hair is right now and what the process has been. So help me God, I'm able to keep to it. So this is the first thing out of the box. All right, the second thing I have here is a moisture sealing lotion hydra fixant, and this and everything I have, I got like the big size. This is 236 ml. So this is lotion. Ooh, this one isn't sealed. Ooh, let's see. Okay, let's try it out. That smells so good. Oh wow, I've only turned it to a hand cream. Oh, that smells delicious. I'm sure some people have turned it to hand cream, or is it just me? So that's what I have. Next I have here, so it seems like there are different types of shampoos. I had a hydrating shampoo, and now I have a clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. Let me see if it smells. Okay, so this one has like a, I don't even know, the cap is different, so this is interesting. So honestly, I'm going to really take my time to like figure out how to basically use all of this so that I get the best results. Next I have the, let me see, I have two jars here. So one is the moisturizing deep conditioner, another one is a reconstructing treatment mask. I really like the jars this come in. I really do like it's really nice. Very, very nice. It doesn't say anything about when you open it and how long. So that is the mask. And then this is a deep conditioner. Guys, this thing smells so yummy. Honestly, yummy. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Of course, everyone knows this one. The restoring hair and edge drops. Honestly, wow. And once you open it, after 18 months, you have to throw it away. So I mean, if you're using this religiously your hair care, it wouldn't even last 18 months. Give or take, I'm even thinking maybe 3 months, just based on just the size of these things. So I got 2 of the restoring hair drops, and you guys, I was refreshing Cecred's website like mad. It wasn't there. I had to go to Ulta Beauty to check. It was there. It was in different stores. You could only pick up. You could only do buy one on. The drama was a lot. Next up, I have a Nourishing hair oil. So let's take this out of the box to see what it looks like. Ooh, okay, very nice. Nourishing hair oil. So basically you add this to damp or dry hair, and I guess you style. Very nice. Okay, I'm very impressed. Like, to be honest, first thoughts, I'm very impressed with the quality of everything I'm seeing here. Like, I mean, it's Beyonce. What did you expect? Now, this is a hydrating conditioner. So, you know, there was a hydrating shampoo. This is a hydrating conditioner. The packaging, very, I just really like it. It's very different. You guys, these things smell so good. So good. So I also got this fermented rice and rose protein ritual. So in this box there are a couple of things, so I'm going to show that to you. So I have like step 1, step 2. Yeah, so it's just step 1 and step 2. So step 1 is a fermented rice rose protein powder, and then step 2 is a silk rinse. So I have about four each, so I guess, you know, 4 different uses. And then last but not the least, inside the box is the ritual shaking vessel and applicator nozzle. So this is what it looks like at the back. So let me open the packaging and show you guys. So you have the nozzle, and then you have the bottle. Honestly, if not because of what they wrote on it, I've turned it into a water bottle and I'll be drinking my water out of it. It's an idea, right? Actually, it could work as a water bottle. So I guess what happens is you use this to shake it in, and then you use like this to basically apply it. So yeah, this is the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you do want to stay in touch, do give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed and following. I'm going to be sharing my Cecred journey, and basically I'll be sharing the results, everything, and basically confirming if it's just hype or it's the real deal. But I mean, I've seen some of the reviews and I'm very hopeful that this is the real deal. And again, I'll probably just do a separate video just showing like what my hair concerns are. I'm actually due a visit to a trichologist. They're about 2. My sister goes to one in VI, but there's another one in the Korea that I want to try, and basically just get like a proper status report on what my hair is, you get. So anyways, I do hope you enjoyed watching this. Do give this a follow, subscribe, leave all your questions in the comments, and yeah, I would also link all the products that I got in the description box below. This is Ty, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.